wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it.
On FMFAM. Oh my god, y'all saw that intro? What the heck? I can't get it up. Anyways, y'all know we back here with the one with the rusted plates. Yep, it's the same car, and we're fixing an oil leak. All right, let's continue doing what we do, baby. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Alright y'all, don't trip, I had old gasket material and the stuff, hard dirt, I had to get it off. Couldn't get in there with the soft bristle, so I had to take a little. We're all cleaned up, we're ready to go on it. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, really gonna rise to the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Average Joe. Yeah. Underground streets. I'm from that deuce down, that countdown, that 210, yeah, that's A-Town. A lot of black and browns, don't joke with clowns, and we stay strapped on every side of town. Sit big mo as we blaze up. 92 to 2010 plus, I never will, I never gave a fuck. I let another hater hang from my nuts. I'm a lone star, underground star. Jamming screws, I'm sipping bars. Trill nigga in them candy cars. It's a way of life, so never made the part. And we big pimpin', spending cheese. R.I.P. to Pimp C. Screw Big Mo and Big Ho. Got me sipping surface if I got a cough. Some niggas play hard, but we know they soft. And they got a bitch, we done knocked off. With a new dumb round with the top off. And she cocked the knock, ready to pop off. Stay fly as fuck, ready for takeoff. Touchdown, the city's ready for football. Hold up. Listen, we'll slow it down for you. Hey, in my hood, the young blazer foes. Inspired by LA and Houston, SA's a hustler's home. Where it ain't shit to do unless your money is long. That's probably why these out-of-staters tell me that they miss home. Don't get it wrong, it's always shit to be done. Why the fuck these out-of-towners thinking we ain't got guns? Hey, I try to tell them when you're up in the slums. Listen, we on the streets every night like bums. When I lived on Dory, part of the sticks. But though my daddy black Cypher's right shoulder was 6. So, a nigga called it a mix, but no.
Well, that really slowed. Can you keep it down? Okay, buddy. Dang.
I'm gonna heat it up.
Still won't come up?
Hey, can you leave me alone? I can't work. Somebody's watching me.
Oh, but he's in my stall. Dang. All right. We're gonna get back to this. Get back to this shop meeting.
Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Alrighty guys, it is we are done. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, as usual, like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Brilloso over there, always making noise. It's either this side or that side. God, I can never win. But if you want to help the channel out, thank you button down below. It has a heart with a $sign. Woo, help your boy out. Watch these videos right here. Subscribe right there, and we are out of here. Deuce.